This is red cylinder with number 1. This is green cylinder with number 2. This is blue cylinder with number 3. This is yellow cylinder with number 4. This is light blue cylinder with number 5. This is pink cylinder with number 6. This is orange cylinder with number 7. This is dark green cylinder with number 8. This is purple cylinder with number 9. This is black cylinder with number 10. See you again in another video lesson. Please subscribe and share this video.